Do girls check out boys?
Do girls check out boys?
Yes, they do. Especially their butts.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Yes, we do. Yes,
Oh, yeah.
we do.
Do girls?
Check out boys.
Personally, I like to see the arm veins. That's one thing.
Of course they do. Yes, they do. I do.
See, I don't check out like any guy. There has to be something special about your butt that I do.
I check out the like body structure and physically appearance and the face should be very attractive.
Please ask people about friends with benefits relationship.
Ouch.
Should I admit that my parents might watch this?
It's a lot of fun.
Okay.
You hang out together, you go to places, and then in the end, you get lucky.
It's better than falling in love.
Do you like?
Actually, yeah, maybe, yeah.
They're amazing. I mean, like, you don't have the baggage and you can hook up anytime.
So you're open.
Yeah.
There's no moral policing
Yeah,
involved.
no,
so like
nothing.
it's
Okay,
to each
and-
his own.
Hey, what is happening, beautiful people? My name is Pranoy and you're watching Quick Reaction Team. This is a monsoon special edition episode. We've taken up your comments to the streets once again. So guys, like every time, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Do you think girls check out boys?
A lot. A lot. A lot. Every day, every single second of the day, I think.
If I see someone, okay, and I like it, the first thing I'll do is I'll tell her, oh, usko dekh, कितना सही लग रहा है.
Smart.
Yes, always I check out some charming face in college.
Girls check out girls as well more than guys. Not in a lesbian kind of way, but just in general.
First, we would see if the guy has a beard, if it's suiting him or not, because not every guy can pull up beard.
Basically, how is he pulling himself?
And
Exactly.
how is he dressed up?
The way girls check out boys is the same as boys check out girls.
It's the same way.
Okay, appearance is the first thing, like what they're wearing, how they look, how they look. That's the first thing.
They are actually fascinated. I got this in class 11th when they were like, okay, look at that guy, his butt is so hot, and I was just sitting over there and what is so? I was like, what is so sensual or sexual about the butt? But then there is something.
Probably she can answer that. So what is so sensual about a butt, guy's butt?
It just looks hot. Yeah, it looks desirable and
Desirable.
I won't go any further. It'll get dirty.
Then we'll just like उसको थोड़ी देर देखेंगे अगर उसने मतलब अगर मन हुआ जाके बात करने का तो we'll try नहीं तो okay हो गया check out खत्म.
That's it.
You know, more like the bigger the butt, the more the thrust.
Yeah, I mean, it just shows that
Yeah,
he can be good in bed.
Sure.
How do you guys check out boys?
In a rather subtle way, you just look and look away, not
You just
like
look and look at
yeah.
So that the guy doesn't know that.
Obviously, we don't make it that obvious, right? You're not
As obvious as men, we don't do that. Yeah.
from the corner of my eyes.
हिंदी में बोलते हैं नैन मटक्का, like boys वो बातें हो जाती हैं आँखों.
There are a few gestures. I mean, like, I wouldn't know. I think just smiling a lot. If a girl is looking at you and she's smiling a lot, and I think if she's like, coyly talking to her friends.
So how can a boy know, okay, this girl is checking me out?
You won't. We don't really, gawp at men.
Okay.
It's very
They
subtle.
can't, it's quite hard to, figure out that.
We
okay,
don't make that too visible.
too obvious.
If I want a guy to know I'm checking him out, I'll be like staring him into the eyes. Okay, I'm not very subtle when I'm checking a guy out. So girls are really smart. You cannot know whether they're checking you out or not. That.
Discreetly they're gonna just check them out.
Yeah, the way guys do. It's like guys check out a girl and it's very apparent that guy is checking you out. But when girls do that, we're really smart.
I don't even think so. I mean, it's up to you it's up to your checking out skills.
So how can a
The
boy,
peace
know, how can he find out that, okay.
Boys can never know when girls are
Yeah.
checking out.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Alright, next question, okay. What do you think about friends with benefits relationships?
Friends with benefit.
Okay.
It's okay if like the consent of two people is involved, then there's no harm in
Have
that.
you guys been into a similar...
No, not yet.
I believe in committed relationships, and I'm even the kind that is actually like marriage, dating for the purpose of marriage.
Personally, I don't like it that much. Like for me, it's one person and dedicated to that person wholly and solely. So,
You don't have to owe someone anything. You're not accountable to anyone. You can live your life with having sex with somebody, or with like sex is sometimes a stress buster. So you just need it. So it's not like you can have with your girlfriend itself, but like having sex with a friend, it sometimes it helps as a stress
So
buster.
when was the last time?
A month ago.
If both people are cool with it, no. Yeah, until unless you take it on your heart, just be careful you don't end up hurting yourself. It's quite alright.
अगर दोनों कपल्स या जो भी हैं वो अगर खुश हैं बेनिफिट के लिए
Friends with benefit.
हाँ तो दोनों की हाजिरी होती है भाई. अगर दोनों की है तो then there is no problem. But if you're trying to cheat someone and cheat someone, then it's a problem.
ये बताइए, बता क्यों मेरे
उसने बोला ठीक है तो मैं परमिशन नहीं दे रही तो how can you know?
So let's say you were single right now, then मतलब ऐसा क्या मतलब concept of friends with benefits?
हाँ सिंगल हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मेरे को. हाँ यार, there is no problem, but I am committed.
Another question this person wants to know that do you think guys like studious girls?
Studious type. नहीं, मैं blank हूँ इस question पे.
Yeah. Guys.
Do you like studious girls?
No, the girl with goggles. I like that one.
With goggles.
Glasses.
I mean, that's your choice. Somebody would fall for a studious girl. Somebody would think, oh, nerds.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, ask guys about the question. Exactly, ask them about it.
That's a very patriarchal question. Yes, they do. I mean,
I think they prefer beauty with brains. I think they prefer only beauty and no brains. Like brains doesn't matter.
Actually, there's this thing. I do think a lot of girls prefer guys who seem intelligent, even if they might not necessarily be intelligent. It's all about flinging concepts and terminology when you talk. So yes, I'm pretty sure girls are attracted to guys who are intelligent. I'm attracted to guys who are intelligent.
Well, I've dated 2 studious girls.
Oh my god. Okay, can you share your
They are
experience?
in and both of them have got like 95-96 percentage.
Okay. आपको लगता है कि लड़कों को studious girls पसंद है?
हाँ जब एग्जाम पास आ रहा होता है तो
मतलब ही होता है तो.
मतलब ही हो जाते हैं.
नहीं मुझे वैसे ही पसंद है यार.
studious girls keep talking about books and they're not interesting at all. They don't have a sense of humor. They don't have
Hey, shut
style, whatever.
up. I am studious. I am in. I got 97%.
Just
but
told
I
me
like,
that you're not studious.
But I study.
Liar! Liar alert!
I used to study 8 hours a day during the exams. But see, I'm really cool.
Please ask that why urban people are such show-offs.
I think that's just a Delhi thing.
Yeah, that's
People like, cause I'm half
It's
South
a
Indian,
metropolitan
and down south, like even the richest will be wearing rubber slippers. You won't make out the difference.
Totally down to earth.
Yeah, yeah. Here is a lot of shosha and all.
नहीं ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है. मैं हूँ नहीं शॉप.
Yeah, that's a very interesting question. But like, even when you are writing about something and you get things, yeah, it's too much. Yeah, we're living in a city, so we have to live a certain way. There's this certain notion of westernization involved.
But
So
do you agree that urban people are?
yeah, they are. They are. They are.
Not all of them. I think it will be a little wrong to generalize. Like some of them are, and some. I think a lot of people do it under pressure. Just to fit in and peer pressure. So I don't think like everyone is, but then yeah, there are some.
Most of the students, like, they generally
Just to fit in and,
because they come from other backgrounds, right? So they're like, okay, now we're in a city, so
they
we have
think
to live
it's
like
a necessity to
in a city.
be modern and
Yeah. No, we are not.
Every
sure.
urban person is a show off.
Yeah.
Why generalizing like that? I mean,
Definitely. Actually, one of my friend of mine is from urban area. He is from Delhi. And he always showing up that I am this person, I met this person, I have met this person. Always he's showing off.
I don't think all urban people are show-offs, and I don't know. I mean, it's a weird question. There's no relation between being urban and being weird.
It does not relate
being
in
show-off.
any way.
it depends person to person. Some are and some aren't. There's a variety of human beings in the world.
Well, that's probably got something to do with social media. It's probably off topic here, but yes, it's
But do you guys agree? Like usually
Yes,
urban people are
yes,
show-offs.
they do.
Yeah, they do. Like I'm a guy from Nagpur and this is Delhi. So people Delhiites are like, it's hype. Like, we from Delhi. Delhi se who and all that. It's just hype. That's just a part of
make
show
any
off.
sense.
Yeah. Doesn't make any sense. They're just showing their superiority and making someone inferior about it.
yeah, especially West Delhi.
Sort of.
Like the Jury Garden, definitely.
See, we live in a society where we see people wearing Gucci's, Pradas, Armani and all. So it comes naturally to us to, kind of show off and prove that, we are something. So yeah.
I bought a top from Sarojini Nagar and then I'll say that Prada ka hai.
Check out some of the best QRT videos by clicking right here. If you guys have enjoyed our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. To see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot, do follow us on our Raposo and Instagram. I will see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 p.m. with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye. What if guys had periods?
I have Vindra because he's won gold medal for Indian at Olympics.
Why would you guys say that?
That's because he's just been eating up our money. He gave up to promises which he never